Hey everybody, you're probably watching because you saw that there is a big announcement to make, and I will get to that in a minute. But if you're new here, I need to set the stage for you. So now I'll get to the big announcement. We have 19 chickens, 18 hens, and 1 rooster, and we would like to move to Cape Breton. We are moving. We are giving our chickens away to one of our friends. And let me know if you have any channel names, like new names, ideas, and comment them down below, please, or email me them, because we are giving our chickens away. I'll be changing my channel name because right now it's Saltwater Chickens and Hens, and we will be moving from the saltwater, and we're also giving away the chickens, so we'll need a new channel name, mainly for the cat, rabbit, and dog, but there might be other animals in the future featured, so we need some kind of name like that isn't too specific, so it leaves room for other animals in the future, but it just captures what we're trying to do here, which is showing you our animals and giving you information on them and tips and tricks. So we are giving our chickens away to one of our friends because we are moving to Cape Breton and we're moving to a place where you can only have like 3 or 4 hens, and we have 19. And not only do we not want to separate them, but some people might not want us to have chickens because it's going to be sort of like in a subdivision. So we chose to we're going to give them away to a friend who will still be able to visit, and we'll still be able to see them, and they will still be able to see pictures and stuff of them, but we will have to give them away. Well, what did you think of that? Are you surprised, or did you see it coming? We're really sad that we have to give them away. We're also happy that we found a really good place for them, and we'll still be keeping the rabbit, the cat, and the dog. We're really gonna miss them, but they'll be getting a better life there than if there was only 4 of them in a small coop in a small backyard in like really close to a city, because they will have a huge coop and a run, and they'll all be together, and it's like a chicken condo that they're moving into. It's really nice. Goodbye, Rachel. Goodbye, Anna. Goodbye, Esther. Goodbye, Fudgy. Goodbye, Candy. Goodbye, Vicky. Goodbye, Shadow. Goodbye, Rosie. Wait, you're not a chicken? Never mind, we're keeping her. Goodbye, Chantel. Goodbye, Bluebell. Goodbye, Mary. Goodbye, Striker. Goodbye, Pepper. Bye, Bach. Bye, Padme. Bye, Thistle. Goodbye, McChicken. Goodbye, Kaylin Ray. Goodbye, Leia. Goodbye, Finn. So yeah, and I will maybe make a video where we actually give them away to that friend. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!